In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bullets and the indent feature. So first of all, what I'd like you to do is open up the document that is in here that I've got for this exercise. And then what we're going to do is to select these three items, go up into the ribbon, and click on the bullets icon. Okay, now if you want to make changes to the bullets, you can click this down arrow and you can pick different styles of bullets. You can change the bullet list. You can change the size in there and do a lot of different things. Just to see how this might work, I'm going to pick this one here. Well, actually, I'll pick this one right here. Now see how the bullets changed. So again, select your text and then choose your bullets. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you to do is just play around a little bit with the bullets to see how they work. Now, if you wanted to number them, it would be the same thing. You would select, and now they're numbered. And you can also turn the bullets on and then type, or else type your list and then add the bullets. So either way will work. So you can turn it on and then it will put in a bullet. For example, let's just do this here. I'll show you. So right now there's no bullet on this line. If I put in a bullet, now I have a bullet. And when I press my enter key, I get automatic bullets. Okay, now to fix this here, I'm going to do Ctrl Z, as in zebra, and that undoes everything. Okay, that's the first thing I want you to do there is play with bullets. Then I'm going to select the headings and make them bold. And I can do them one by one, or I can hold down my Control key. And if you click right outside in this area here, it will select the line for you. So I come down, and here's one more to select. I'm holding down my Control key and clicking, and then I can make it bold. And I could make them larger if I wanted. So I'll play around with that and try to do it. Select out here instead of going like this. Either way works. I mean, that's just the thing, but if you click out here, it's really handy. Okay, so I have those three headings, and then what I wanted you to do is work with the indent key. So click in anywhere in the paragraph, and here are the paragraph formatting, and here's your indent up here. So I'll click here, and it moves it in. Notice how these little cones up here are changing. I move it in, I move it back. And the beauty of it is that if I add text to this, I type in add text, the line will wrap for me. So that's why we don't press the enter key and go tab, tab, tab. That type of thing doesn't work. Okay, so all I have to do is click in here, click my indent, excuse me, click here, click indent, and click here, and click indent. Now, the next part here is a big bibliography, and I want to actually select this here and make it bold. And I probably would like to make it as big as the other headings. Okay, and now what I want to do is a hanging indent for the bibliography or the references right here. Now, there isn't a key up here or anywhere here that you can do it with. You have to come into the paragraph setting, that launcher, come over to special, and pick hanging. Say OK. Now the first line is out and this line is in. The quick way of doing it, I'll do the fast way, is using the shortcut key Ctrl T as in Tom. And I fix that. Okay, so this is what I would like you to try. Now, if I would do Ctrl T again, it moves it in. Ctrl Shift, and oops, I did too much there. Back those out. Sure, that might happen to you too. But Shift Tab. Okay, so if I come up here, I can bring this all the way back. I can just drag it back. That's how I'd fix it. Or I would use Ctrl Z if I put this in too much, like Ctrl T, Ctrl T, and I got it like that, then I could do Ctrl Z and it will take it back. So anyway, play with those keys, and I'm going to write them right here. Ctrl T for hanging indent. And just so you know, Control plus M is this keystroke up here, and Shift plus Control plus M is this key up here, decrease indent. And then the last one that I showed you is Control Z plus Z for zebra, and that undoes. This keystroke is the same as this one up here to undo. It's your undo. Okay, thank